Good morning and a warm welcome. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. Security agencies warn that unrest in Bangladesh may fuel Meitei-Kuki tensions in Manipur. JAF, HS and KNF are reportedly running arms training camps in Bangladesh Chittagong hill tracts. India and China agreed to improve bilateral relations after disengaging at 4 points in Ladakh, including Galwan Valley. NSA Ajit Doval and China's Wang Yi held talks during a BRICS meeting in Russia. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju called Zakir Naik's claim about the Waqf bill false propaganda, accusing him of trying to create communal tensions in India. After getting bail in excise policy case, Arvind Kejriwal will continue functioning as Delhi CM, though his office visits may require the LG sanctions. A 24-year-old man from Malappuram, Kerala died of Nipah virus. Authorities confirmed the infection and issued a health alert across the state. Israeli PM Netanyahu promises a strong response after a Houthi missile said to be hypersonic reaches central Israel, though no injuries were reported. Pakistan has removed Asif Durrani as its special representative to Afghanistan amid rising tensions with Kabul. The centre told Supreme Court that sensitive material is delaying the appointments of High Court Chief Justices, making it unsuitable to disclose the information. CBI arrested Sandeep Ghosh, ex-principal of RG Medical College, and a police officer for misleading the investigation into the murder of a trainee doctor. Security forces have trapped 3 Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district. The encounter follows the killing of 3 terrorists in Baramulla a day earlier. PM Narendra Modi virtually flagged off 6 new Vande Bharat trains, increasing the fleet to 60 trains operating across 24 states and union territories. Junior doctors rejected CM Mamata Banerjee's peace offering and continued protesting for justice for their murdered colleague. CBI informed the court that Sandeep Ghosh is not accused of rape and murder but could be involved in a larger conspiracy in the RG Medical College case. UP CM Yogi Adityanath visited Bairaj to meet families affected by wolf attacks, announcing 5 lakh rupees compensation and reviewing Operation Bhedia. A Kolkata court sent RG principal Sandeep Ghosh and a police officer to CBI custody in connection with the doctor's murder case. Sources confirmed that BJP-led government plans to implement One Nation, One Election initiative during its tenure. Donald Trump promises to end illegal immigration and halt government services for undocumented immigrants if re-elected. Maldives Foreign Minister Musa Zamir acknowledged early diplomatic challenges with India but confirmed the issues have been resolved. US Assistant Secretary Donald Lu arrived in Bangladesh for talks with the interim government, focusing on financial and trade issues. Venezuela detained 6 foreign nationals, including 3 Americans, on suspicion of plotting to destabilize the country amidst the rising US tensions. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.